Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have another scent from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, which is Islamabad. Now Islamabad is the capital of my country, Pakistan, and it has mostly green areas, maybe some hills with green trees and open air, kind of more fresh air, a lot of rain sometimes. So this is, I think, maybe Abdul Karim Al Faransi tried to capture that in this. So let's find out. I think if I remember correctly, I enjoyed this one from past when I tried to use it. Like, oops, so it's difficult to open it like that. Okay, so I'm back to this Islamabad. So let's try to use it and see how it actually feels on a strip. Maybe on the hand it might be a different story, a little bit, but most of it would be like this. So let's try this on a strip over here. So I'm going to apply this like that. Let's close it so it doesn't spill out. Okay. Oh, there is some floral. Floral with some patchouli. I'm not sure. It is a very nicely done oil. Scent profile is very different, in a very different direction. It is like you are passing through a field full of flowers, and clouds are, there are heavy clouds on top of your head, a bit damp, a little bit syrupy, maybe some roses there. It is a very nicely blended oil. It is very balanced in my opinion. I think it would suit women more than men. I would love it on a woman. A bit spicy now, the spice and the background sandalwood or light woody kind of note is coming out. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, so I think this is one of the best from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. Islamabad is a really nice blend. Good mix of florals, light woodiness, maybe some funkiness. Really nice, damp. It is not dry or kind of suffocating kind of perfumes or oils. It is very nice, balanced kind of attar oil. I would love it on a woman or a girl rather than a man. It is addictive. So it is really addictive. There is some, funky kind of note I'm getting on this paper, which is reminding me of Hindi oud. Really nicely done. So if I rate it from a scent profile, I would rate it like 8 or 9 out of 10. I would rate it 9 out of 10. Okay, so I'm going to be a bit generous now. 9 out of 10. And I think it would stay like medium kind of performance, like 5 or 6 out of 10 would be, I think it would stay like 4 hours, no more than that. I think maybe less than 3, I'm not sure. But it's a really nicely done blended oil. So this is my review about Islamabad from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Maison Anthony Marmin. So thank God I have, finally memorized the name of his new company. Anyhow, really nicely blended oil from Abdul Karim Al Faransi brother. Well done. This is a really nicely blended oil. And Wish you best of luck to create such oils a bit more. If you like these kind of oils that are really balanced, that are kind of Eastern, Middle Eastern kind of blends, then this is a must have. This is a must try. Islamabad. Try this out, try the sample out, and if you like it, do purchase it. I will meet you in another video and we will explore more perfumes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.